This is the demo on some of the basic functions with using your planner with GoodNotes. It will work the same for all planners, but we're going to demonstrate with the personal planner. I'm using my iPad and my Apple Pencil today. So let's start with navigating through our tabs. You simply do that by clicking on all these colored tabs. And right now we're in read-only mode, which means I can't write or fill in any of these. I'm just looking and navigating through them. In order to make notes and to fill in your schedule, you need to click the button in the top right-hand corner right here. You'll see this shows us our toolbox. Let's first start with our pen. And you can see here we can change the ink color to red or blue. The size is over here as well. So we'll change it to blue and the medium size brush. And let's say today at 8 o'clock we have a meeting with client. This might have been too thick of a brush to use. And that doesn't fit so well. So I'm going to take the eraser button and I'm just going to erase it. And let's rewrite it in a smaller form. Meeting with client. Much better. Perfect. Now say we want to highlight that so we don't forget that. We can simply do that right here with the highlight button. As you can see, you can also change the colors or the width of your brush as well. Right over here is our shapes button. That button allows us to create circles, squares, and triangles. So say we want to circle this. That'll turn into a circle for us. A square, and a square, a triangle, a triangle. Again, change colors and widths right there. Now say our meeting with the client got moved to 6:30. We can use this tool right here to circle and move up to 6:30. Easy as that. And we can also add in media here with these two, as well as text. You just click on that button and click wherever you want to add text. So one of our big goals today is to create demo. Easy enough. The last thing I want to show you on this toolbar is this button right here, which is basically our zoom in button. So you can see it makes it a little bit easier to write. Say if we're using our pen and want to write in here, we can say one of our big goals today is to create demo for client. Okay, now this blue box has showed up. What does that mean? So you can see that I'm almost at the end of my line here. If I continue writing, I'm going to have to scroll over usually. Well, this blue box helps us prevent that. Create demo for client about, and I can just simply go over here and finish my line. New product. So you can see that helped me from having to scroll over and continue to write. So I can just kind of move this around wherever I'm looking to write. So now that I've filled in my schedule, I can click out and go back into read-only mode. So now I can no longer write, highlight, make shapes. If I want to look at an overview of all of my pages, I can simply go over here and see a thumbnail of everything. To make it easier to find certain pages, like today's for instance, you can favorite it by using this little ribbon button right here. Say I also want to favorite one back here too. All I have to do is now go to my favorites and they're simply here, so no scrolling through to find those. If I want to unfavorite, simply click it again. Say I want to do more actions to this, I can click this little arrow down here and I can now duplicate this. I can move to trash and a myriad of other things. So it makes that all very easy. And those are the basic functions for GoodNotes.